حب البلد. زي انت غصب عنها يا حب البلد. قلت جزر لقيت نفسك
يا
تبقى.
باشا بس اتعب ربنا.
قلت جزر لقيت نفسك تبقى.
تقص أثبت واي.
النبي ما فيش تذكرة قسط. معرفش ان دي زادت والله.
ما انا عشان كده انا ما
انا الهرم زادت بس
امبارح انا قلت العربيه الملاك اللي كنا بندفعها ب3 في الهرم قطعوها ب5. Side, but the big area inside they have big garden also, and they can enjoy their time. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
No. You have to ask always. Yeah. لا here not this level. When you go and walk on the roads, sometimes you have to be aware of your bag.
Yeah.
Because they come with motorcycles and maybe they got it with something. Okay?
Yeah.
Also, if you just morning like this, but this it happens, but rare. Okay, regular. Okay. But here no, and actually the security here in this area is so high, and the people they know each other. If there is any thief around or something, they know it. They know his family, and because that they don't make this risk yet.
I see.
Because all of their work, their life depends on the tourism. They couldn't do these things with the tourism because it will be a scandal, you know, the internet with these things, and the area will be covered by these things, and the people will not come anymore.
Yeah. It will just affect them back.
Exactly. Yeah. اليوم اللي احنا فوق Sultan, okay? Sultan.
Yeah.
And this is also, it's like, we got it to be like fountain, okay, for the people to get water from here. Because
Yeah.
the river Nile is so far.
Yeah.
The king should make main source for them for the water, with the biggest store under the ground. And here this part for the animals, also for drink. Okay? And behind what they had hospital also. Because it's a huge complex. It's called the complex of Sultan Qalawun. Okay? His name was like this. Okay?
It's a huge church. Mosque.
Mosque, Qalawun, related back to the 14th century AD. Like 1380.
Alhamdulillah.
There's another mosque. I linked it with the first one. This is son, by the way. It was by luck, not always the son built nearby the father, but it was like this. It's called Nasr Muhammad ibn Qalawun. Okay? Son, but the style here is different. Two things unique in this thing. The entrance, they got this shape
Yeah.
from the castles and some churches built in Syria and Lebanon, built by the Crusaders before. And they got this style and they like it so much. The other thing, the minaret with this stucco. All of them make it handmade. All of this decoration. It's very beautiful minaret actually.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the period of this construction here? It's related back to whom? Which family? Which era? Always Muhammad Ali family, because they have this style which is different. It's more modern. We call it Baroque and Rococo.
Baroque, yeah.
Baroque, this started actually in Italy, in Austria in the Middle Ages, 1400, 1500 AD, and after that they transported to Egypt through the family of Muhammad Ali. Only the uses, because that this fountain related back between 1805 till 1952. This is a period of Muhammad Ali family. This is more modern. From Spain
Almost
also,
the
because
same, yeah.
the Rococo, it's came I think from Portuguese or Spanish, which is rocha. It's like the unshaped stone. Because the style of this painting, it gives just not a complete design, not straight lines. Just make it like this,
Curves,
exactly.
yeah.
There's another mosque also.
So-
For another king, yeah.
3 connected mosques.
Yeah. Also, you connected with other things.
Yeah.
Keep going the same. With the main road, as you say, and at the time. Mosques in the other sides behind, they have palaces also. And they're believed to make a mosque, and in the other side, mausoleum for the king himself. Because that the people, when they pray, after his death, they pray also for him, to give him some good things, give for the afterlife judgment with God.
Yeah.
There's a beautiful fountain also, with 3 sides, and through this window they have big cups, heavy cups. They're from metal, and they give water in these big cups for the people. Okay?